going on, family? We went to the bowling alley in Valley, Alabama. It's an older bowling alley, so you have to take score yourself, um, which is a pretty cool experience if that's something you wouldn't mind trying out. They have an arcade, prizes, pool table, um, things that most bowling alleys have. They have it there. It's pretty affordable. For us, it was about $50, I want to say, for all six of us to bowl, and that includes the shoes. We also had some the food there. We had the fries and the nachos. They were pretty good. The staff was pretty nice. Yeah, it was just a fun time. We'll definitely be back to hang out there. And if you're ever in Valley, Alabama, or somewhere near, stop by and check them out. It was pretty fun. It wasn't too busy, wasn't too crowded. The staff was nice. It was fun. So stop by and check them out.
For this love affair began.